Best foods to heal skin boils. Its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties are very useful in treating many health conditions. Contains allicin that has strong anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties which serve as an effective cure for. Keep your body and skin well hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of foods rich in fiber. Ensures bowel movement and prevents bacterial growth. Contain keratins that helps to improve the health of your skin and prevent boils. Vitamin C helps strengthen the body's immunity and prevents recurring infections that might cause boils. Good source of vitamin A, which is good for skin health.